Well, hello again, friends, fans, and family. Day two, mic check number three. Um, Messed around with the lighting. As you can see, it's not glaring off my glasses anymore at my normal head tilt. I like it a lot better this way. Um, so there's something I failed to mention in the last two, as we're talking about video content. One thing you're probably not ever going to hear me talk about a whole lot is straight up politics. I probably just won't ever do it, um, for a lot of reasons. Number one is because the political climate and the political parties in our country that we have right now are doing their level best to keep us divided into us versus them camps. You either agree 100% with the party line, or you might as well be, scum, demons, whatever. I've been told that. I've been told that by someone I thought knew better, simply because I disagreed with one particular point that a particular party made and otherwise agreed with most of what they had to say. So that's something that you're not going to hear me do. Um, I have certain views on certain issues, um, and from time to time they may come up. Um, I deal with government regulations on a daily basis in my regular job, uh, primarily to keep people alive, um, which I feel is pretty important. I kind of I kind of like making sure that all my guys go home, guys and gals go home alive at the end of the day in the same number of pieces that they showed up in. Uh, so the government gets involved in that, and so I have to deal with government rules and regulations on a daily basis. I don't always agree with all of them. Um, some of my hobbies are, uh, to varying degrees, related by government agencies. Um, and if you've ever gone in to buy spray paint, you realize quickly that there are stupid people in this world who can't be trusted to um, function without supervision, apparently. So, but anyway, I just realized that that was one thing that I had not brought up before, in and around bringing up all my other thoughts on content and such. So, figured I'd throw that out there. For another thing, it also gave me something else to talk about while I was checking for the light reflection in my glasses. As you can see, I have the anti-glare coating. You can see where they glint blue right there like that. Um, I find that very helpful in my regular day-to-day vision. And shout out to my lovely wife, who is 4 semesters and one run of finals away from being an optometrist. Yes, yes, I understand, babe. There's state boards also in there. That's okay. You've got this aced. 4 more semesters, one run of finals, one run of state boards, and I will be married to a doctor. Never saw that one coming. I kind of like it. See y'all on the other side.